Okay, everyone, this is Bag of Dawn. It is Bag of Dawn Stock Market Caddy. It is January 6th at 4:30. Now, the futures markets will open up at about 4:30 and trade a little bit with the banks let out some steam between 4:30 and 5. So I want to show you the closing values, give a little market recap here. We don't mind doing that. The SPX closed at 32.46. 32.46. This is on a 5-minute basis. Gave up on this particular trade $3, which would have been a nice little option trade. But let's take a look at the futures. What was done here? The last 1-minute trade was 35 minutes ago. That trade 137.50. The trade of the day was the 5-minute trade. Went off at 9:35 this morning, and you would currently be at $1,137.50. That would be one contract, which if you're trading intraday, you only need it uses what about maybe don't hold me on this, about $1,700 of margin. If you hold it overnight, you need about 4,000 or 5,000. But even still, that's not a bad return for one day, one contract. The NQ, the 1 minute, tried to go short here in the last few minutes, so that trade is really still there. The NQ, though, on a 5 minutes, look at this trade, 9:35 this morning, went long, one contract, 1,715. Had a high watermark of almost 2,100. Not bad, eh? I'm not Canadian either, from Boston. The Russell 1 minute, 407 went off at 407. It's already up $120. The 5 minute went long at 10:30. Was up as much as 500 or 600. It's up 355 now. The Dow went long at 342, up 205, and on the 5 minute went long at 940 this morning, up 920. So let's just stop there for a moment and consider this. If you had been trading one contract in each of the four markets on a 5 minute, you would have 1137, 1700. So let's see. That's about $3,000, 3,300, and about $4,200 intraday, folks. Intraday. Oil had a gold. Not much of anything right now. We had some nice trades during the day. The oil trade at 259 went short on a 1 minute. You'd be up 380, and at 305 on the 5 minute, you'd be up 400. Now let's slide down, and because we can also trade stocks, this is pretty interesting. It is to us, anyways. We have about from here to here. There's about 30 stocks. 30 stocks trading on a 15-minute basis for folks that like to trade options. And let me just show you something. First thing is even Bitcoin. You want to trade Bitcoin on a 15-minute. This was on January 2nd, went long at 11:45. You'd be up 1,725. But here's Amazon, which is flat. Tesla has generated 27 points on a 15-minute. We're down 3 here. But look at these points. Here's just almost 2 points, but 39 points on Google, almost 40. AZO went flat. AZO delivered about 20 some odd points today. CMG flat, but here's 1.5 points. Here's 22 points. Here's 1.5. These are just per share now. 12 points, 14 points, 1 point, 1.5 points, 9 points, 20 points, 27 points. Boeing 2 points, 5 points, 4 points. I don't know. You may not know how to use options yet, but if you are an options trader, this is gold, and this is long and short. This is just this, and this is using just the swing machine. In any case, I'm bagging on at Stock Market Caddy. We're going to be doing the same thing tonight, overnight. Money never sleeps. We'll be back tomorrow doing the same thing. If you like this approach to the markets and you want to join our little private club and you want to talk to me about it, what we offer, who we are, who we aren't, I'm happy to take your phone call. My phone number is 813-758-8263, 813-758-8263. If you're thinking about trading full-time, you want to say goodbye to the old job, you want to retire early and get rolling, we've been doing this for years, folks, years. And now we have a limited set of licenses, and I'm not going to project when that's going to be full. But there will come a time, I promise you, there will come a time that, we will have to say, sorry, but we got a waiting list. And I don't know when it comes to a waiting list, because very rarely does anybody leave. I don't know why they would. All right. So feel free to give us a call, though. There's no time wasting. We're not going to badger you. We're not going to send a bunch of emails or phone calls or anything of that sort at all. It's up to you. And we hope that we can help you out. We're a mentoring site. We're about teaching other like-minded people how to take control over their life, certainly over this part of their life, and you know what, maybe over their life entirely. And, maybe, just maybe, you won't have to be working for the man. All right, good luck, everybody. Hope to hear from you.